Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your DoorDash history. So this is going to become particularly useful just in case you want to surprise someone with a restaurant and you're ordering food, or maybe you just don't want your spouse or family members knowing what restaurants you recently just looked up, again, for that surprise factor of planning like their surprise birthday. Either way guys, there's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now what we're going to do first is go into our DoorDash app, and then once this is here loaded, you're going to click on the search bar. So with the search bar, you can see a variety of different restaurants that are blurred out here as far as which ones I looked at, and then click on the see more option. So now what you see again here are recent searches in which places that I was looking up on DoorDash. Now in order to actually delete all of these histories, just click on the clear all button, and then it's going to ask you to confirm clear all searches and visits. This will remove your entire search history on every device. You can't undo it. So just click on clear all, and there you have it. Now there's nothing being shown under recent searches. And here you're just going to see suggested searches as well as cuisines. So there you have it guys. I've deleted my DoorDash history. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I know to actually do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.